One of the biggest concerns I hear from educators is that artificial intelligence will eventually replace teachers. I don't believe that's going to happen, to be honest with you. Teaching has never simply been about delivering information. For those who had great teachers, you know what I'm talking about. If it were, schools would have been replaced by textbooks years ago. But the best teachers do more than just, the best teachers do more than just teach content. They build relationships. They inspire confidence. They encourage students who are struggling. They recognize when students don't see it in themselves. Artificial intelligence can do many things. It can help generate a mass amount of ideas. It can summarize information, and yeah, it can help teachers save time. But it cannot replace the human connection that exists between a great teacher and a student. In fact, I believe the real opportunity isn't teachers versus AI. The opportunity is teachers who understand AI helping students navigate a changing world. The schools that thrive in the future won't be the schools that ignore AI. They'll be the schools that help educators use technology wisely while continuing to focus on the relationships that make learning possible. Technology may change, but the importance of great teachers will not. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future in learning and work.